What's up? What's up? What's up, Judy babies? Me and Juice Man on our way to his school's first field trip. But before we get into this video, y'all better make sure y'all take a few seconds to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on y'all post notifications so you can get a notification every single time we post a video over here in Judy's world. But anyway, we are on our way to the store to grab us a quick lunch because mommy was tired last night and I did not grab us nothing to pack. So we about to run into UDF and we gonna get us something to eat for this field trip. Where we going, son? Where we going, son?
UDF!
Where we going today?
UDF.
Where we going today after UDF? Where we going on the field trip? What's the place?
Pumpkin patch.
Okay then, y'all heard him. But we'll see y'all when we get in UDF.
We are
Y'all, we are back. We are at UDF. And what we about to get?
a Lunchable.
He want a Lunchable. I might get me a Lunchable too. But yes, we are on our way inside of UDF. Come on, son.
Okay.
Go. Go. Uh-huh. Come on, son.
Orange Lunchable.
Which one you gonna get? You need to get the one that come with the drink. Get that one. Let me see. Let me see. You want? Oh, turkey the only one they got?
Turkey American?
Okay, that's the one you get. And what mommy gonna get?
What is it?
Should I get the same thing? You want me to get the same thing?
I don't care if you get this.
They only got turkey. I'm saying you want me to get a Lunchable like you or you want me to get something else?
It's cold, so I'm just going to hold it for you because it's cold.
Okay, hold it. We gonna get the same Lunchable?
Yep.
What we got, son?
So you got a Lunchable from Turkey and American.
Okay. Son, you want to share some chips?
Yes.
What kind of chips we gonna share?
Lay's.
Which Lay's? The green bag?
The blue one.
The blue one? I want the green one.
Okay.
You want to share the green bag? Big boy carrying all our stuff. Get it. Get it off the floor. There you go. Come on, go to the counter. That's all we getting, okay? Yeah, it was a little crazy in that store, but we back in the car. What we get, son? What we get? Show them what we got real quick before we pull off.
So we got me and Mommy got the same Lunchable,
We both got a Lunchable. What else we got?
and we got some chips,
We got a bag of chips he said he want to share with me.
and Mommy got these peanuts.
And I got me some free cashews because UDF had a freebie today. And you know I had to get a freebie. If it's free, it's for me. What else we got in the bag?
We got our cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon roll. He can't say cinnamon, y'all. Say it, son. How you say it?
We got some cinnamon rolls.
Cinnamon roll. And we got a cinnamon roll for breakfast.
Breakfast.
Yeah. Okay, y'all. Now we off to the school because he got to catch the bus with the school. And I got to drive my car and follow them or meet them there. So I'll see y'all in a minute.
I feel like falling in love. I'm in the mood to fuck something up. Tonight I'm fucking something. I need some drink in my cup. Hey, I'm in the mood to fuck something up. I wanna go missing. I need a prescription. I wanna go higher.
Okay, y'all, we at the school.
Y'all heard him. We at his school and he geeking to go in here. He barely let me park the car. But we about to go into school. I think they gonna eat breakfast first. And then we leaving. The teacher told me yesterday that the bus is leaving promptly at 9:30. So So yeah. But like I said,
That's sweet.
I'm chaperoning, but I gotta drive my own car and I gotta follow the bus there or meet them there. But I think I'm just gonna follow the bus, but I'm gonna get the address of the place so I can follow them. But let's head inside of his school, y'all.
Peace out.
This little boy is crazy, y'all. Juice. Mommy I gotta put something on your face. Your lips a little crusty. We're going in his school, y'all. Open it. No, yeah. So y'all, his school don't play. So like I said, I'm chaperoning his field trip today, and I let him ride, with me to school. So I had to walk him into the school, but I gotta sit in my car until it's time for the buses to leave for the field trip, which is fine. That's their rules. I ain't mad about it. So I'm about to sit in the car and eat my cinnamon roll, and I let him take his cinnamon roll inside the school with him so he can eat it, at breakfast time. So I will see y'all when it's time to go on the field trip. I'm feeling and I'll be down now. So y'all, we made it to the family farm. My son's school buses just pulled in. I was a little bit ahead of them. So now I am waiting for them to get out and see where we go from here. See y'all in a minute. Y'all, I gotta find my son's school. It's a bunch of people and a bunch of schools here. So I'll get back with y'all once I find my baby. Y'all, I done found my baby. He done found me. Let's see what we doing first. Come on. Come on. Good job. Woo! You go, son. Okay, then. Guys, they're waiting their turn to go in to jump. I am chaperoning my son's class. I have him and one other little boy. Look at him. All right, their jump time is over. Come on, William. What did I sign myself up for, y'all? What, son?
Who's L'Oreal?
You tell me.
I don't know. Hi.
They so cute. I done signed myself up for some first graders. What?
Hello.
You want to say hi again? They so cute. Y'all gotta run. Run. Y'all gotta get on there and run.
Oh, look, it says one person at a time.
Man, biggest day. Put your arms up and then run. There you go. You gotta put your arms up.
He's trying to do it.
Woo! You having fun, William? Come on, we're moving. William, you play too much. We are off to pumpkin school, y'all. They got some good looking pumpkins over here too. Let's go see what pumpkin school is about. I like this form, by the way. We are definitely coming back on our own as a little family. I like doing stuff like this in the fall. Pumpkins are priced for size and beauty. Look for the dot. See how much your pumpkin costs. Small pumpkins with no dot are $5 each. Oh, look.
Pumpkin school. So we're going to talk about pumpkins today. Okay. Now, when a pumpkin, before it starts to grow, it is a seed. Okay? That seed is planted under the ground about 4 inches, and then it starts to change. See how it has roots on it? This seed is going to pop up through the ground and becomes a plant.
Where your Lunchable at, son? It's lunchtime, y'all. You couldn't wait to drink your juice, huh? Why you ain't eat your food?
It's hot outside.
You gave him a cookie. Okay, y'all. Now you don't have anything to drink. Come on, let's make our sandwich together. Don't put your, look, use this. Don't put your cracker on that table.
Okay, I'm waiting for you to make that.
Come on. My cheese broke.
Let's make the same thing.
Come on. No, I'm not making a sandwich like that. You about to stack them up?
It's on the box.
Oh, you trying to do it like that?
Yeah.
Why you want to eat yours like that?
Oh, I forgot. You put the cheese on.
It don't matter. That's how you want to make yours stacked up like that? Bless you, baby.
No,
Y'all, look what he did with his.
No, don't show him.
Yeah. I'm not doing all that. I ain't had a Lunchable in a long time, son.
Yeah. You in our business, Nehemiah. Get in your business.
These kids crazy.
No, Nehemiah's the one that's crazy.
William crazy too.
You crazy too.
So we have finished lunch, y'all. We are about to go on the hayride. You ready for the hayride, son? Ugh, why you doing that? They don't want to see that. We ready for the hayride, y'all. He being silly. We'll see y'all when we get on the hayride. Off to the hayride. They said only 8 people at a time. 8 people at a time. So we got to go in groups. No, I said in groups. We got to go in groups. So y'all, again, I will see y'all when it's our turn to get on the hayride. How you feeling, son? Sunflowers are my favorite flower, y'all. Look at my favorite flower.
Sunflowers are my favorite flower too.
Look at the pumpkins. They green. This is a beautiful sight, y'all. I just want to take them home. Son, look at me. Come here. How you feel about the hayride? How you feel about the hayride, son? In words, tell me how you feel about the hayride.
Good.
You like it for your first time?
Yes.
Okay, look, let's go pick a pumpkin.
We
Move it. Stop. One pumpkin, William. That's your pumpkin? You just get one.
need a bigger one to carve it out.
We'll get one from Kroger. That's the one you want? Y'all, the field trip is over. We are now about to go home, I think, maybe. Basketball ain't until like 6:30. But yeah, field trip is over. We about to go back towards our house. I might do some DoorDash deliveries. The girls are still at school. So yeah, it's just me and my son right now. Maybe I go see what my mama doing, what she want. But either way, I am gonna do a few DoorDash deliveries. And then I gotta take my daughter to work. But we did have fun on the field trip, ain't that right, son? Neiderman's family farm was a great experience. And like I said before, we are most definitely coming back by ourselves as a family. I hope y'all enjoyed seeing us on the farm. See y'all in the next video. Oh, y'all almost got me. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe and turn on them post notifications. I always tell y'all that. I am like 40 something subscribers away from my goal of 3,000. I am doing a giveaway. So make sure y'all share my videos, share my channel, tell y'all peoples, aunties, cousins, sisters, daddies, brothers, all of them to subscribe. And again, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. See y'all in the next video. Tell them, son. See them in the next video. Bye, y'all.